I'm Jade, and today I'm going to be explaining how to use a drill and electric screwdriver when drilling or screwing wood. This is a general synopsis, and these skills can be applied to more than just drilling wood, as obviously, screwdriving and drilling are skills that can be used on multiple other forms of craftsmanship. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first off, you're going to need the drill, screwdriver, and screws and bits in the sizes you want. You'll obviously need the surface you're drilling into also. Consider the drill bits or screw sizes needed for the type of surface you're drilling into, along with the durability and other specifications with the surface you're drilling. Now, with your drill and drill bits, it's time to drill. With the drill now ready, you're going to drill into whatever surface you need to drill into. For my example, it'll be a piece of wood. With your drill, place the tip of the drill bit onto the surface and turn it onto clockwise rotation. And now pull the trigger, making sure to apply a little bit of pressure as you push inwards to control the drill's movement as it cuts through the material. When drilling, you don't want to be too slow or too fast, but find a good median. If you're too slow, progress won't be easily made, but if you're too fast, the wood may begin to burn. At this point, if your drilling surface begins to smoke, make sure to slow down, or if you have to, set your drill into counterclockwise rotation and begin backing out of the hole. You will also need to do this again when you are done drilling. Something to consider is your distance from the edge of your drilling surface. If it is less durable material, you'll want to make sure to leave some distance to prevent cracking or breakage. Another good tip for when you're drilling is to pulse. Pull the trigger and let go as needed to get through the material. Overall, adjust for pressure and the speed needed to safely and effectively drill into your material. At this point, you'll need to get your electric screwdriver ready for use. When you're picking out your screws, you'll need to find a screw slightly bigger than the hole left behind by the drill bit. You'll need to put your screw onto a star bit, which will be inserted into the end of the screwdriver. And now, pull the trigger and slowly drill inwards until the screw head is either level with the surface or slightly sunken into the surface. Some things to consider when drilling and screwing is general safety. When drilling and screwing, you'll obviously want to have some sort of safety glasses on, have your hair pulled back if you have longer hair, and any hanging jewelry taken off. If you can, make sure the surface you're drilling into is secure and that there is nothing beneath what you're drilling into that could interfere with the process. If you're drilling into an angled surfaces or non-flat surfaces, the process may be a little different or more complicated, but the basics are all here. And so there you go. You now know how to safely use a drill and electric screwdriver.